Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this portable cordless electric coffee grinder. So I absolutely love grinding our own coffee beans. You guys can pause this video right here if you want to see more information. Comes with an owner's manual, a cleaning cloth, cleaning brush, and charging cable. And comes in a nice carrying pouch. And the nice thing about this is with it being portable, you can take it anywhere you want to go. So there's a charging port. You got your power button right there. You have your different grind settings by twisting. You twist the bottom cup off to take it off. Then for the center, so the center is where you're going to put your coffee beans. You just turn it to the unlock position. You're going to put your coffee beans in here and it's going to fall into here. Once you have your coffee beans inside here, by adjusting this is going to be the course of your coffee. So obviously smaller, so it's going to be more finer, all the way up to bigger, it's going to be bigger. So you just press the power button and you just let it do its thing. To pause it or stop, you just press the power button again. And again, you can change your coarseness by twisting this piece right here. We like it coarse, so we're going to have it on the lowest setting. And you guys just put your beans in and you let it go and come back and check on it after a while. And guys, keep in mind, the coarser you have it, so the smaller setting you have it, the longer it will take. The higher setting you have it, the faster it's going to grind the beans because it's going to drop bigger pieces. So we set it on the second one right now. So we're mixing the first and second. All right. I believe we are done. Oh, does it auto go off? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I believe it auto goes off when it acknowledges there's no more beans left. It automatically turns off. That's awesome, guys. All right, time to make some coffee. Check it out, guys. Works great. Love it.